My name is Savi Singh, and our auto collision expert, and we have been here since 2008. I'm the third generation in my family in this trade, in auto paint industry. And myself, I started when I was 17, right out of high school, helping my dad. Made my passion, loved cars since I was a kid, and then just made it my profession. We handle all kinds of jobs, small, big, starting from a bumper scratch to a major front end, rear end collision. Doesn't matter, frame replacement, panel replacements, radiator supports, doors, rear body panels. Job is a job. Could be small or big. We do it all. A couple years after we started here in 2008, we got a full restoration job on a 1964 Impala. It took us about 6 months to a year to restore that car back from basically old, rusted 64 Impala to a brand new show car. That was like my best experience in auto body, doing it from scratch to basically making it immaculate. Our technicians are certified. We are iCar Platinum individuals. We have been properly trained according to the vehicle manufacturer guidelines by iCar to work on any make and model. That includes all electrical vehicles and hybrids, any make or model. We are a Diamond certified company. We are proud that we've earned this reward, and credit goes to our loyal customers and our team here at Auto Collision Experts. We try to be transparent, fair to the customers, try to cater to their needs based on different situations, self-pay, insurance jobs. Whatever their needs are, we basically cater to them. And that sets us apart from other body shops. We take pride in whatever we do. Just that smile on my customer's face, it just satisfies me that, they were in a stressful situation and we were able to take care of them and now they're happy. That's what satisfies us.